This is a one owner 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 four-door extended cab 4x4 with 75,000 miles. Absolutely in pristine condition. One senior owner, not a door ding, not a scratch. You'll be lucky to find a rock chip on this vehicle. Absolutely in wonderful, wonderful condition. It's a work truck package, but power windows and locks and keyless entry was added to the vehicle. It is running. It needs absolutely nothing. It is a Texas rust-free vehicle. Brand new tires. Incredibly clean. $2,500 4x4. Gas engine, 6.0 vehicle. Interior is like new. Cloth interior, trailer brake package, 4x4, AM/FM CD. Interior is like new. Perfect Carfax report, no accidents, no sagging headliner like you see in all these Chevys. Power windows, locks, aftermarket were added, along with the keyless entry. 75,000 miles. Just amazingly, amazingly clean. The pictures and video do not do this truck justice. So this is a 2003 Chevy Silverado four-door extended cab, 2500 4x4 with 75,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely incredible condition.